Hello everyone and welcome back to my another lesson. This is Imran Hussain, rainy day 2 of English practice, slow English. So today I'm going to share with you when I don't get free time and how I utilize to learn English. So this is a practicing time. So there are 4 steps we know for learning English: listening, writing, speaking, reading. So and if I don't read, I listen. If I don't listen, I speak. If I don't write, I write, and I speak, and like this. And there are 4 steps. If I don't do one single one, and so I do another one. And 4 steps, and I divert another where, and I practice, and that's mean. And whatever you are doing, so if you manage your time in one particular thing for your learning English, so you can get a good learning strategy, because learning it is become stoppable when we try to utilize our time in 4 section, and it's hard sometimes, but if you become a consistent man, and if you can utilize your time in any sectors, like the 4 steps, and 4 steps solution is that. So if you don't invest your time in reading, and you can invest your time in listening, and if you are busy you can listen, and if you are not busy you can read and you can listen, and if you are really free, so you can listen, read and write. And this is a technique, and actually, and it is really important to know for a learner of English. So and many of people become demotivated for learning English, because they lost their minds. And if I don't spend time in 4 sections, and I cannot be that good at English. So this is a wrong conception have in your minds. Don't think this, because learning, it is not a one day's journey. Learning is like a destiny, and if you walk, and if you walk 1 step, so if you walk 2 steps, then after will open your 3 step, 4 step, 5, 5 steps, and level up never will come from your one day's regularity maintaining. So you have to have practicing, and you have to have the good mindset to know to cling with the English learning. So if you're watching this video, this is rainy season. That's because then I feel really happy to hear, because rainy season in village, it is really get me pleasure, because this is a cool weather touching my minds, and also calm area, and so and all are really attract me. And if you're watching this video from YouTube and from other platform where you're watching this video, don't never forget to share your opinion, because when I don't get a single time, when I don't get time, so I try to manage my time just for 3 or 4 minutes, and now I'm recording myself, and I don't have time, because nowadays I'm busy so much. That's why I cannot read, even I cannot listen. But and I have also another alternative way to recording myself, and that's why and I'm recording, and I am also sharing with you and my practical knowledge about English. So hopefully you understand what I want to say. And if you're watching this video from YouTube and from other platform, I don't know where you're watching this video, but if you think this is helpful one, subscribe and follow us and share this video, because and I will keep practice, and I will keep practice, and I never will give up, and I will be consistent, and I never will thought, and this is my last journey, because and if I will die, so until I'm dying, so, and I have to practice. That's my real identity, and I'm a learner. So you have a nice day for the another lesson.